Well, now we're doing worksheet 4C, and it's a savings plan. And so the formula, and you have it on the sheet I put down at the beginning of chapter 4 or unit 4, and I'm going to email you that sheet. But the formula is amount equals the payment times in brackets, and then in parentheses 1 plus APR over N, and that's raised to the NY minus 1, and then all over APR over N. So, and this is a savings plan. And by the way, how do you know when to use this formula? Well, they've got to tell you in the problem, savings plan. You'll be told that. So then you know, hey, savings plan formula. So, for number 1, we've got a payment of $700, a rate of 5.2%, 0.052. The number of compoundings, N in this case is 1 just annually, so we don't have to show it, over 8 years. And when we compute this, we get $6,700 and $32.38. So for 2, this time the number of compoundings is 12 because it's compounded monthly, and when we multiply it to over 17 years, 12 times 17 is 204. That's where that exponent comes from. And when we compute that, we get $62,420. Now for 3, it's just a repeat of the formula for 2 different people and 2 different, some of the data will differ. And here are the 2 answers. And you do apply the data to the formula, make sure you get these answers. Now for 4, now the issue is, we don't know what the payment is. We know what the amount is. So here's the formula. We're going to divide, or divide by this thing, ultimately invert and multiply both sides by this. And we get payment on one side and this on the right. And then we apply what we know about the amount, the rate, the number of compoundings, 12, and we wind up with the value of $372.93. That's the payment that must be made to get this $145,000 saved in apparently 15 years. And number 5, going through the same formula, we wind up with a payment of $167.04.